Is your Windows PC running slow? What if I told you that you can make it faster in just 30 seconds without installing any software? Yes, in the next 30 seconds, I am going to show you a simple trick that can instantly boost your system performance. So guys, let's start the video. First method is click on start button and click here run, and after that guys, type under this search box sbysdm.cpl, click here OK button, and after that guys, click here advanced option, and after that guys, click here setting option and select this option adjust for best performance option. Click here apply and then click here OK button and click here OK. So guys, click here start taskbar and click here task manager option, and after that guys, click here more details and click here startup, and after that guys, disable here these apps, disable it, okay. Unknown unused app disabled here. Now we are going for third trick. So guys, we are going for next trick. Click here taskbar and click here task manager option, click here process tab and find here, and after that guys, find here Windows Explorer option and click on it and click here restart option. Okay, these windows. Now close this window. Now click here start button, click here run. Now type here under this search box prefetch and click here OK and select these all file and delete all these files. These are temporary cookies files. Okay, no affect your Windows. Now skip these. So guys, if you want more video and more trick, you please subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.